When it comes to survival, staying prepared means understanding how to use the tools and resources at your disposal effectively and safely. Among these tools, firearms often play a critical role. They can provide security, help hunt for food, and deter threats in extreme situations. But firearms also come with inherent risks, especially if mishandled. Today, we're diving into the must-know principles of firearm safety, designed to keep you and those around you safe in any scenario. Whether you're new to handling firearms or you've been using them for years, these reminders will sharpen your skills and could even save lives. Let's get started. Let's start with the most important rule. Treat every firearm as if it's loaded, no exceptions. This is a mindset that prevents complacency. Imagine you've just cleaned your weapon or unloaded it moments ago. It doesn't matter. Always double-check. Open the action, remove the magazine, and physically inspect the chamber. If someone hands you a firearm, inspect it yourself, even if they assure you it's empty. Accidents happen when we assume, so make no assumptions. This rule is simple but often overlooked, especially under stress. Your finger should rest flat along the firearm's frame or guard, not on the trigger. This habit can prevent accidental discharges caused by nervous reactions, trips, or surprises. Practice this consistently, so it becomes second nature. If you're not prepared to fire, your finger has no reason to be near the trigger. In survival situations, knowing your surroundings is critical. Your target isn't the only thing to consider. Think about what lies beyond it. A missed shot or an over-penetrating bullet could harm a fellow survivor, damage vital resources, or alert threats to your position. Assess the environment before pulling the trigger, and if it's not a safe shot, don't take it. Firearms are as safe as their owner makes them. When not in use, they should be stored in a secure, accessible location. A survivalist safe might differ from a typical gun safe. It could be a lockable hard case, hidden compartment, or improvised solution, depending on your scenario. In all cases, ensure unauthorized people, especially children, cannot access your weapons. A poorly maintained firearm is unreliable and can even malfunction at the worst moment. Survival often exposes firearms to harsh conditions: dirt, mud, rain, and temperature extremes. After every use, or even after exposure to the elements, clean and lubricate your weapon. Check for signs of wear or damage that could affect its performance. Reliable equipment is crucial in high-stakes situations. It's not enough to own a firearm. You need to know how to use it under pressure. Regular practice at a range or in a controlled environment builds muscle memory and confidence. In a survival context, add situational drills, like shooting from cover or engaging moving targets. Train with all members of your group, so everyone knows how to handle firearms safely and effectively. Sometimes things go wrong. A firearm could jam, or an accident might occur. Familiarize yourself with clearing common malfunctions, such as failure to feed or extract. Have a basic first aid kit and know how to address gunshot wounds, both for yourself and others. These skills are vital in survival scenarios where professional medical help isn't immediately available. Let's recap today's essential firearm safety tips. Always treat every firearm as if it's loaded. Always double-check. Keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. Be mindful of your target and what's behind it. Store firearms securely to protect others and your gear. Maintain your weapons regularly to ensure reliability. Practice consistently to build confidence and precision. Prepare for emergencies by learning how to handle malfunctions and injuries. These principles aren't just rules. They're habits that could save lives in a survival scenario. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to assess your current level of firearm safety preparedness. Are you practicing these principles daily? If not, start now. Set aside time for regular training. Ensure your firearms are clean and secure, and educate those around you about these safety rules. If you're new to firearms, sign up for a certified safety course. They're invaluable for building a strong foundation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more survival tips and strategies. Together, we can help you stay prepared for any challenge that comes your way. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these safety tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you in the next video.